Hi Firestick fans, welcome to How to Install Zone. I'm Sarah, and today we're installing Streamfire, the trending app for free live TV, movies, and channels on your Firestick. It's super easy, but stick to legal streams and use a VPN for safety. Let's do this in 1 minute. Step 1. Enable unknown sources, settings, My Fire TV, developer options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. Step 2. Search Amazon App Store for Downloader and install it. Launch Downloader. Step 3. Enter code 447-8227 and hit go. This downloads the Streamfire APK. Install it, then delete the file to save space. Step 4. Go to your apps menu, launch Streamfire, and start exploring channels. Pro tip: activate with Surfshark VPN for private browsing. Streamfire unlocked. Binge away. Like if this was helpful, subscribe for more Firestick installs, and comment your top channel below. Stay safe and stream smart. See you on How to Install Zone.